We're here today to talk about life insurance. I kind of have a little bit of a personal story, which is kind of near and dear to my heart because in 2015 I was diagnosed with colon cancer. I got a wife and two small children, and the one thing I really can honestly say from that standpoint and that experience is I was not worried about financially taking care of my family. And at the time, I thought Kevin was just a great salesman and, just another add-on bill for me. But when I got sick, it really was one thing I never had to worry about. I knew if something happened, my wife and my two girls would be taken care of for the rest of their lives. I mean, they had enough money. I didn't have a lot of debt to start out with, but they had $1.5 million just to basically live on. And that gave me a sense of relief. And I could just take on the battle of the cancer and not worry about battling financial problems. And I think that's what people have to understand is the life insurance is to help you get by or get through some difficult times.
Shortly into the beginning of my career, I got a call. One of my clients had passed, left a widow and some children. They had life insurance, and I knocked on the door, sat down with the family, was able to deliver that check. The grieving that goes on when there's the death of a family member, especially a breadwinner, is tremendous, and that can never be taken away fully. However, the hugs I got that day that allowed this family to take one more burden off their shoulders, I'll remember forever. It really hit home how important life insurance is to me. And I think of that day every time I go out and see a family, because life insurance is a tool. We hope we don't need it, but if you do, it sure takes the burden off.